Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to create videos using Canva Magic Studio. First open your browser and go to the canva.com. Please make sure that you are logged into your Canva account. Once logged in, you will see different options at your left corner. Click on the create option. Now you will see different templates. Now choose a preset like Insta Reel, Instagram Story and so on. It will redirect you to the selected template. From the menu, look for the Magic Media and tap on it. Within it, you will see different options. Tap on the videos option, type some prompt, then click on the generate video. Canva will generate clips or layouts for you automatically. As you can see, it has successfully generated the video and you can just tap on it and it will appear in the main layout. To customize your video, you can just add text, transaction or animation, or you can just change color through edits while trimming them, which help you to enhance your video with minimal effect. Once your video is ready, you can just click on share and tap on download with MP4 video as suggested and tap on download. Now your video will be ready to post on social media or use it for presentation, and that's it. This is how you can easily create videos using Canva Magic Studio through text to videos. If this video helped you, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.